Assalamualaikum. Good morning, everyone. I am Khadija Himu. My ID number is 17MKT068. Today, our presentation and my individual topic name is the consideration involved in implementing survey and observation method in an international setting. Now, I describe this. When it comes to international marketing research, choosing the right method is very important to collect the right information. Now, there are two important methods: survey and observation. Survey research method collecting information about a group of people by asking question and analyzing the result. Survey research method is gathering primary data, asking people question about their knowledge, attitude and preference and buying behavior. Primary survey are used as a method of gathering data in many different fields. Observation research method. Observation research method is gathering primary data by observing relevant people by action and situation. The main advantage of observation is it is straightforward, and observation it is directness. Let's take a closer look at how this method compare based on various factors. Sample control, accessibility of home, locating respondent at home, availability of a large pool of trained interview, availability of mailing list and level of literacy. Now I describe this one by one. Sample control. Sample give researcher a bit more control over their interviewer who they are talking to. You can select a specific group and asking question. This is helpful when you want a target specific group. When you are particular audience like younger or adult or working professional. On the other hand, observation not offer to control must over who you are studying, since you are watching people as the naturally behavior. Accessibility of home. Both methods face same challenges when it comes to getting into people's home. Some culture might not be comfortable with a stranger coming in. With other might welcome it. This can affect how well you can gather data. Efficiency of postal system are essential for survey distribution and return the survey that rely on the mail and need a good postal system. If the mail is slow and unreliable, then there face many problems. Your survey might be reach people in the time. Observation don't have this problem since you are there in a person. Locating respondent at home. Survey often involves sending questionnaire to people to home, which can be and convenient. Participant can respond at their comfortable environment. It might be harder to catch people at home since you are watching them outside of their house. Availability of large pool of trained interview. Survey sometimes need a group of trained interview to go out and ask questions, and which can be helpful if their observer are trained interviewer available. And availability of mailing list. Survey often depend on mailing list to find people. This can be challenge if you are in place where their list aren't so early to come. Observation don't need mailing list, which can be a plus point. Level of literacy. Survey involve reading and answering the question, so work better if people are comfortable with reading. If literacy rate are low, then observation might be better because there no need to reading or writing any question or answer. In conclusion, the choice between the survey method and observation method for international marketing research is a complex interplay of factors. Is a method offer unique strength and limitation, making them suitable. Thank you, everyone.